Suzhou Doupre Brakes Company Limited is a leading manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, and sales of air disc brakes repair kits and assemblies. We continue to develop caliper kits, including Knorr, Meritor, Wabco, Holdex, to satisfy clients from Europe, South America, North America, and South Africa. According to TS16949 quality system, Doupre Brakes has highly professional technician teams, dedicated machines, and scientific management. We have complete testing machines such as 3D, Wenzel, salt spraying tester, metallographic specimen grinder, metallographic specimen cutting machine, torque tester, etc. All the products will be tested from raw material to finished products. For example, 500,000 durable test for adjusting mechanism shaft and rubber tappets. What's more, our research and development department can develop customized products according to your samples or technical drawings. With high quality and reasonable price, Doupre Brakes receive high reputation from customers all over the world. Our factory is located in Suzhou City, which is 120 kilometers close to Shanghai Port. It is convenient for your visit and shipment. What's more, we control the transportation time within 12 to 20 days by train for European customers. All the time, Doupre Brakes aim to sincere, pragmatic, optimistic, and cooperative attitude and spirit in the market. And we stick to professional quality promotion, design innovation, and efficient working to serve for all clients. Doupre Brakes sincerely welcomes everyone to visit our factory.